In media management, custom jobs enable you to take part in asset reviews, download requests, and other custom workflows created by a job designer. In this video, we'll run through an example review job to show you how to launch a custom job, track the progress, and review assets. The job designer can configure many ways to launch a job, from the navigation bar, action bar, inline action bar, or detail view. Let's launch this job from the navigation bar. This job includes a form that must be filled out to launch it. The job designer determines the fields and other details. Let's fill out the form. If the form lets you assign users to a task, you can check their availability by clicking Resourcing. When the job is launched, you can track the progress on the Recent Jobs panel. On the Job Details page, you can see a detailed depiction of the status on the Workflow tab. In this job, the first task is to add assets. Let's go to My Tasks, open the Task Details page, and upload assets. Click Complete to finish the task. The next task is to review the assets. Again, you can find the assigned task on the My Tasks page. To review the assets, click Review. You can leave annotations and comments on the assets, as well as approve or reject them. Click Complete to finish the task. Because an asset was rejected, a revised content task is assigned. You can upload a revision. The revision must be approved. You can compare the two versions while reviewing them. And with that, the job is complete. And that's how you can participate in a custom job. Check out the other videos in this series for more media management tips.